What is a wave? A wave, in simple terms, is price movement in one constant, sustained direction till it either stops and goes sideways, or the direction totally reverses. This is a wave going up. This is a wave moving down. After the first wave, wave 1, the next wave goes in the opposite direction and then retraces the earlier wave partly or completely. Here, wave 2 is moving down, and here, wave 2 is going up. On completion of wave 2, markets change direction and the next wave, wave 3, moves in the opposite direction to wave 2. Here, wave 3 is moving up after a downward moving wave 2. Wave 3 is moving down opposite direction of upward moving wave 2. Thus, one after another, waves keep unfolding in opposite directions, and market movement continues ad infinitum in this fashion. Wave after wave, as buying and selling continues on the financial markets, prices are changing constantly. And this constant change creates waves. We shall see the various patterns that emerge and the repetitive nature of those patterns as we continue on the incredible journey and discover the simple and elegant truth of Elliott Wave principle.